All right, welcome back. I hope you're having a great. I would like to give the progress on the tracing letters. So, in the last two videos, we have looked at how to build the tracing game. Now, I would like to complete with the project I have done. So, in the last video, we have only done with the letter. Now you can see I'm done with all the letters from A to Z. Small letters, capital letters, and also you can see E for all the small letters, right? Uh, so I got myself some busy with other game developments with few contacts, so I was not able to release this video time. I developed this game long time ago, so I was not able to do a video for you. Anyways, now it's the time. So let's look at the code. So as you can see, there are mentioned at the bottom. So by default, when you open the game, it opens. If you want to navigate through other letters, you just click on the letters at the below. So things I would like to show you. First of all, I'll show you how the navigation works. Pretty simple. So the game starts with A. You want to take you to B, right? So also, if you want to start with O, or T, X, Z, it's up to you. So I created this game in loop. Once you're done with Z, it will take you back to A. You can reload the layout. So once you're done with half of the tracing, again you want to go back, you can simply click on reload. Right. So uh, it's how the tracing works. Um, but what if the letter is F, I, J, T? Uh, Let me show you what difference. Right. So for the letter A, you can see you don't need to lift your finger or your pencil or pen anything without to complete the tracing. Right. As in F. So once you're done with the first stroke, you'll need to lift second, correct? Also with I, J, T, and X. Right. Even for I, once you're done with the first stroke, you'll need to lift your finger or your pen to complete the tracing. Right. So in order to achieve this, instead of enabling the boolean neck and I have created a new boolean called next point. The program will take you to the first point of the next tracing next right. Let's look at the code. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's look at this one. So go to, so you'll see in this event you will see a new addition which is next point. So once you overlap, once the dot overlaps with the next point enabled, treat it as a new letter. So it treats it as you're done with the tracing, and the next horizontal path, next trace as a new letter, right? So it increases the node value by 1 and calls the next position function. So next will move the dot and control to the first point of F. So let's look at how. Okay, I'm tracing till the bottom. So I'm done with that. So the horizontal path, right? Let's look at I. So I is bit different again. So once you're done with the last tracing of first, uh, take you to this path, but here you will tap on it, right? Even it's the same for you'll tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the next level, right? So I've created a different, not completely different. I've created one more boolean. Okay, I have created one more boolean for that. Let's look at that. For the last next point, the same method used in F, whereas and you'll see tap. So generally for the last node, if you look at F, the last node consists of end. So even for I, it should be the same, right? This should be the last letter. It will take you to the next level, right? But when we build this program, we created in a way that once it overlaps end, it will directly take you to the next level. But here I has only one node where you will have to tap. So that is why removed end I created tap. So I enable tap. So let's look at the program. So this is the event for that. So once it overlap with tap, and once you tap on it, or once you touch the control, it it's the same treat, the letter is done, and it will take you to the next level. Right? So it's simple. And also you can see each letter has its layout. So if I look at small a, an audio playing A at the starting of the layout, and node once the dot overlaps the boolean you end as true, it will play A again, wait for 2 seconds, and move on to the next level. So it's common with all the independent levels, whereas we have one common program for all the levels, right? I just added es underscore game uh, to all the to level event sheets, right? So it's simple. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Yellow, and you can contact me, ask questions if you have, right? Also, I did not use any third-party plugins. All the plugins belong to Construct 3, so you don't need to worry about third-party plugins and its support. Also, you replace the objects here. You can click on this, and it will take you to the file manager, and simply you can replace the objects, right? And also, if I go to sound, so the sounds or the voice overs for all the letters, you can, if you don't like them, you replace them. That's up to you. And also icons, you can find them here. Fonts, you can find them here, right? So everything is available. Just need to replace them. And also, if I click on tracing letters, you can see the project layout. Here you can see tracing letters, the name of the version, description, ID, author, email, and website. Also, you can see the display um, type and everything, all the set. so you can change the settings as per your needs. So as of now, this game consists of only small letters. I thought to extend this project till capital letters and numbers as well, but because of heavy workload, I was not able to do that. But I made this available in Scare Store and a few other marketplaces. Will provide the links, and you can, if you're interested, you can go ahead and buy, or you can follow the tutorial. Right? So even capital letters, though you can build them by yourself by watching the previous videos. If you have any, always there to help you out. All right. So yeah. Also, if you want me to build the capital letter numbers, I can do that. Maybe I'll need some more time, but let me know if on the interest I can work on it. If nobody is interested, I think it's waste of time for me to work on it. But if I get a lot of responses to build that, let me know. All right, guys, that's all for this video. Um, we'll meet again in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.